it's Miss Alana, and we are working on our adding and subtracting decimals assignment. So this video is part 3. So make sure you watch part 1 and part 2, then now part 3, which you may not need my help anymore because I know you know how to do it. Just in case you need some more help, I have another video for you to help you with adding and subtracting decimals. All right, so I'm going to jump around the problem, the sheet. Let's see. I'm going to pick one. I'm going to pick a hard one. Well, you know what? None of them are hard because they're all so easy once you know how to do it. So let me see. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Let me see. You know what? I'm going to pick this one right here. Do you see that one? It's on the right column. It says 10,000 minus 8,000. Hold on. Say it with me. 8,601 and 9,500. Say that again. 10,000 minus 8,601 and 9,500. So let me write that down. Let me see. I think I forgot it already, so please help me out. You know what? Maybe I have my sheet. Do I have my sheet? Okay, no, I don't know where my sheet went. I hope you have your sheet. All right, let's see. So I know it was 10,000, right? And what do we have to do? We're going to line them up vertically. You cannot subtract horizontally. You can try to do it in your mind, but that's too much for your brain to do. Just write it vertically and add the what? Decimal, 2 zeros. All right, I'm going to switch back and forth because I couldn't remember that number. Remember decimals, line up right there, line up, bam, bam. Make sure your decimals are always straight and lined up like bam, 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 lined up. And I knew it was 8,000 something, right? 8,601. Oh, no, what am I doing? 8,000. See, messing up already. All right, 8,000, look, it's right there. It lines in the thousands place. 8,601, and what was the rest of it? And 9,500s. 8,601 and 9,500s. And what operation are we doing? Subtracting. Bam, subtract. Okay. Oh my gosh. What's up with all these zeros? They keep hanging out, and now they're broke. They have nothing to take away from, but luckily, they have a friend that they can borrow from. Just like maybe if you have no money, maybe you have a friend that will let you borrow some money. Or maybe you are that friend that all your friends keep trying to borrow money from you because they never have money. Oh my gosh. But we work together and figure it out. All right. So can we take away? Oh no. Borrow. No, don't have any. No, I'm broke too. No, nothing. Nope, I'm a zero. No. One has it. All right, so that 1 becomes a 0, and that 0 becomes a 10. But hey, let me borrow. Okay, so that becomes a 9, and this becomes a 10. Oh, let me borrow. Okay, 9. That becomes a 10. Let me borrow. Okay, that's a 9. That's a 10. Let me borrow. So that becomes a 9. And that becomes a 10. Hey, let me borrow. Okay. That's a 9 and that's a 10. Oh, phew. There's a lot of borrowing. There's a lot of borrowing from friends, but we got that. Please make sure that you regroup correctly every time, because if not, you would not subtract correctly. Okay? So that becomes a 0, a 9, a 9, a 9, a 9, a 9, and that last one is a 10. 10 take away 5. Let me see those 10 fingers. Yes, take away 5. I'm left with 5. 9 minus 9. That's a 0. Decimal goes straight down to the ground. 9 minus 1. That is an 8. 9 minus 0. That is a 9. 9 minus 6. That's a 3. 9 minus 8. That is a 1. And don't forget your comma. Where does the comma go? You can bring it down, or you can count from the decimal 1, 2, 3, comma right there, and that 0, could put that 0 or leave it alone. So I have 1,000, say the number with me, 1,398 and 5 hundredths. All right, now how do we check our work? Do the opposite of subtracting. What is that? Adding. So we need to add this number and this number together to see if we subtracted correctly. All right, so I'm going to write this. Actually, no, I'm going to write it right here beside it. 8,601 and 95 hundredths. And now we're going to add it to that number. Look, bam, they're already right beside each other. 1,398 and 5 hundredths. All right, are you ready, Dad? Are you ready to check our work? Yes, yes, yes. 5 plus 5 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 plus 0 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. Decimals, bam, straight down. Remember, line them up. All the decimals line up, numbers line up, line up, line up, line up. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 8 more is 10. Or we could do 8 and 1 is 9, plus 1 more, that's 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 9 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. Oh, I got to squeeze them closer. 1 plus 6 and 3, that makes 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 plus 1. 8 and 1 makes 9, plus 1 more is 10. Oh, we're forgetting something. What are we forgetting about? The comma. Start at the decimal count. 1, 2, 3. Bam, right there. And what's that number right there? 10,000. Is that what we have here? 10,000. Yeah. So guess what? That means what? That means we got it right. Yes. Big old check for me. Big old check for you. And get the rest of the problems right. Work the rest of them out. So if you need more help, please let me know. Call me on my cell phone if you need help, or come see me in class. But you know what? I think I'm pretty sure that you don't need my help and you got this under control. So as soon as you're done with the front side, let me see, what do you need to do? Do the back side. There's some multiplication drills. Now I wrote on there, time yourself. So you can get your phone, your parents' phone, hit the timer and press start. And no rush, no pressure. Just do it as fast as you can without making any mistakes. And the whole key to that is you're not competing against anybody else but who? But your own self. So you can time it today, and then when you do it again, your time should go a little bit faster, right? So do that. Work on your times table. You can go in order. You can jump around. I don't care as long as you get it all done. And then when you're done with that, don't forget what else you have to do. Make sure you get on your reflex math. Not just for 5 minutes, okay? Hit that daily limit. We are trying to win this reflex math. So I need everyone doing that. And Study Ladder, I put some new activities on there for you to work on. So get on Study Ladder. Don't forget your parent signature and phone number at the bottom. And again, if you need help, just do your best. Ask somebody for help. Ask a parent, a friend, a sibling, a cousin, somebody for some help. Ask me for help. And use your own mind. You got this. You're so smart. Remember that. I'll see you next time.